Okay, so today what I wanted to do a video on was framing out lattice around porches. I just recently done it to my house, and I noticed that there wasn't a whole lot of videos on YouTube where people was showing how they did it. And also I got a new camera and I wanted to check out the quality of it. Okay, so here is the front of my house, and there's the lattice that I did for the porch. And I hadn't really had much going on here lately, so I hadn't had much to video and upload onto YouTube. But here's how we did it, framed it out. It took the 1x4, and on this, on the front, I didn't realize that it would work better if you ended up doing a nail gun to nail the nails in instead of trying to screw it in. That's how I did on the front. And then I realized that when I started doing these pieces here to end up covering where the lattice meets. It meets like right in there in the center of that 1x4. So then that's when I swapped over to using the nail gun. And I'll show you on the other side how I ended up doing it with the nail gun over there. And then down at the bottom, what I did on it is I took and dug a trench, and it ran all the way down through there to the end. And then I did the same thing all the way out there, and then took a level on it and put the level kind of centered, and I had my grandpa to hold it on that end to where it would be leveled, the 1x4 down through here, and then screwed it in down there and then down there on that side. So here's how we done it on the side porch. As you can see right there, nailed it there and there. That nail goes into there, and then it's got nail there and one there and there that go into the 6x6. And them was used with the nail gun, and it makes it look a whole lot cleaner with the nail gun, and it's a whole lot easier to get it to stay that way. Now I have seen where some people go in behind their their 2x8 right here, and they'll take and put a piece back up behind here where the lattice can lay against it, and they nail the lattice to that piece that's connected to the 1x8, and I've seen them do it that way and then come back and put that 1x4 across there, but I just ended up doing it like this. And then there's down the side, and I ended up, how we got that nailed in there is to put this 1x4 in right here, and it runs down to there, and then did all the framing on the outside, and then I climbed up underneath the porch and then put the lattice in from the inside. And then there's where it runs down to here to these steps. And then when it got to this end where it's closed off, ended up taking and building the frame first, and then put the lattice on it, and then put that whole frame in there, and then nailed it with the nail gun right there, and then down on the bottoms. And then that end down there, just stuck a piece of 1x4 right in that corner, and then nailed the framing right there to that 1x4, and that's how I got it put in there. But that's how I ended up using the 1x4s to frame out with my lattice around my porches. I thought somebody might find it useful. If you like the video, hit like, subscribe. Have a great day.